creatives. Today I am going to show how you can make a slime at home. So let's get started.
So I have used a full bottle of white PVA glue. Here I am using an Indian product, that is Fevicol. So I am taking here the shaving foam. I am taking 1 teaspoon of shaving foam. To make my slime more fluffy, I have added another half spoon of shaving foam. Now I'm adding some lotion to my slime. So I have mixed the shaving foam and glue completely and adding 1 teaspoon of Pond's talcum powder. You can use any powder that you have. So I have added powder to give a matte finish to the slime. So next I am taking the foaming face wash of Clean and Clear 5 drops. So I am adding here some food colorings, blue, green and yellow. It is totally optional whether you add or not. I have added more foam to make my slime fluffy. For the slime activator, I am taking a cup of warm water and adding some pinches of borax and dissolving it. You should add the activator little by little and stir your slime to be activated, as I am doing here. Now my slime has started to thicken up, so I started kneading with my hands. My slime was a bit stickier, so I let it stand for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I see the slime was thickened but was little bit sticky. So I have started removing my slime from the container to knead and play with it to make it non-sticky. I have added a little slime activator to make it non-sticky. I have added some talcum powder to manage it.
guys, this was my first video on YouTube, how to make a fluffy slime. This was my recipe. Hope you all enjoyed my video. अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो give a thumbs up and click the subscribe button and press the bell icon for new updates on my channel. And you can share my video and comment down below for suggestion of my new video and for any queries of the slime. Hope you all enjoyed. So wait for my new video. Tab tak ke liye bye bye and take care. Love you all.